Good morning, everybody. So glad to have you guys in here. It's a beautiful day outside today, 76 degrees. It is nothing but sunny out there at the moment. And we have Gen G. It's just you and me. Look, Jen, it's just you and I, Jen. What are we going to do? We're going to hang out. We're going to talk stocks. We're going to talk crypto. What are we going to do today? Nobody else decided to show up, Jen. It's just me and you. Good morning. Glad to have you in here. Not only are you first, but you are the only person in the chat right now. Let's rock and roll, Jen. Let's do it. All right. Well, we got AEMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. What is AEMC doing today? Streamlabs is going to be lagging. That's not a good sign. So we're going to click on this one. Yes. Now we got AEMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $4.75. GameStop sitting up 3% today, $25.85. Shiba Inu Coin trying its best to bounce back, 0.66% lower on the day today. And Bitcoin down a whopping 1.55%. Bitcoin actually getting hit pretty hard over the last 24 hours, as it was not mentioned in the presidential debate last night. NASDAQ sitting 0.20% higher on the day today. Dogecoin 12.5 cents. SHIB 17.33. Ethereum 34.01. Bitcoin 60,807 and on its way down right now. The SPY sitting at 547. QQQ 482. Mullen Auto 243. Touching all-time lows? All-time lows? No, 235 at least is all-time low. 241 touching today. Sundial, $1.89. Netflix, $6.79. MPW at $4.38. Tesla sitting at $1.99. Amazon, $1.95. And Apple sitting at $214 per share. We're going to watch Bitcoin play out on the bottom left because we need gains. Come on, man. Seriously, these red lines are getting a little annoying here. So let's see some gains across the board. And literally, Alien Head Intelligence, man, you came in here. I thought it was just me and Gen G, but we got Alien Head in here as well. T-Man did good last night. Why is T-Man token down? Giovanni. The best that I can come up with, okay, two reasons. Number one, quite possibly because crypto was not mentioned in the debate, and people may have been buying in with the expectation that it would be mentioned. So when somebody prices in, or the market prices in something happening, and then it doesn't, they sell off because they were disappointed. T-Man, by all accounts, man, and I really don't even care if you guys are Republican or Democrat or you know, confused or whatever, overwhelming consensus is that yes, T-Man did do very well. Doesn't even matter who you ask. T-Man did very, very well last night. Opposition did not. So, in that regard, okay, it doesn't make sense that T-Man coins are falling today, unless, of course, the market priced in cryptocurrency being mentioned, or, of course, all right, I'm still here. The camera was blinking. Or, of course, if it was simply a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, and they did not care about the results either way. Traders may have been simply speculating and buying on speculation, and then, of course, selling off following the debate. And that was their plan all along, with like complete and utter disregard for what actually took place. So those are the two reasons that I'm kind of going with as to why all of the politics tokens are down today. Even the Geo Bowden token was down like 50% today. Dolan Trump was down like 15-20% today. Maganomics, the MAGA, the Trump, all those tokens were down like 20% today. So, yeah, dude, the only thing that I can come up with is that the market was pricing in cryptocurrency being mentioned, or that it was sheer speculation driving it up, and it was always going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news type of event, no matter what the results were. Best I could get on with trying to reason through it. 1.5 trillion SHIB are on the move. Yes, Gen G. Whales moved 1.5 trillion Shiba Inu coin in the last 24 hours. Now, it sounds like a lot, and it is a lot. I believe it was like $26 million worth of Shiba Inu coin traded by whales in the last 24 hours. However, the 7-day peak was 6.5 trillion Shiba Inu coin. So what it all boils down to is, yes, it sounds like a lot, but whales are actually much less active over the last 24 hours than they have been in any period in the last 7 days. So Actually, I just saw SHIB get a very nice green candle here. That is a very nice green candle on SHIB. Bouncing back beautifully, man, from 1710 to 1750 right now. So SHIB seeing some confidence returning there, which is very nice. It's very good to see. Like it or not, right? Whales dominate Shiba Inu coin. And it's for a variety of reasons. Number one, it is so popular that whales can easily make a lot of money on retail investors in Shiba Inu coin. But number two, they became whales, dude, because they bought in early when it was worth nothing, and they simply held. Dude, everybody wants to go out there and you know, buy $1,000 worth of something, 10x on it, and have 10 grand. All right, great. That is phenomenal if you can do that. I would love to do that as well. But there's some other people out there who are willing to go in. They've got $1,000 that they don't need, that they don't want, that they don't really care about. They go out and buy $1,000 worth of something like Shiba Inu coin, and it truly does turn into $3, $4, $5 million over the next couple of years. And I would have to be in a coma to be able to hold something that long and not book my profit on it. Because I have seen time and time again, the people in the cryptocurrency space will rug you faster than you can blink. Okay, they don't care about you. They don't care about sustaining the price. They don't care about shaving positions. They don't care about the overall project. They don't care about being smart. They simply care about going out there, making their money, and taking it from everybody else. So, man, SHIB is just rolling right now. Look at this candle. What is happening? Look at this. Look at this candle right here. Oh my gosh. Dude, this is from 1,700 to 1,800 points per coin in a matter of 5 minutes. Holy smokes, dude. What is going on? Ethereum's not moving like that. I mean, Doge is kind of moving. Bitcoin's not moving. What is going on? Well, we can watch that candle play out. That's a beautiful candle, man. Like, look at the 5-minute chart. Oh, that is a 5-minute chart here. This is a 5-minute chart. Look at this 1-minute chart, dude. Just rolling right here. Wow. That's crazy good. Let's see. It's why the whale is on. Oh, Shiba Inu's community base and goes up on exposure. That's why the whale is on it. If you control social media, you control shit. Yeah, Nicole. If and that is very true for literally any speculative project. If you can control the sentiment, or if you can control the, I guess, not thoughts, right? It's not mind control, but essentially, if you can control the narrative, you're going to be doing very, very well. That's why Shiba Inu coin can do very, very well when people are excited, is because it is very community-centric and community-driven. Shiba Inu Puto, ahoo, Nufo. Absolutely, man. Let's see. Hi, please. I have been trying to learn how to trade for 5 years, but I still don't know how. Can you teach me? Yeah, Mercy Caneo, man. So, trading is very stressful. Trading is something that requires like just 100% dedication and discipline. Okay, all you have to do to trade is you got to be willing to take losses, and you got to be willing to take some gains as well. You just have to develop a strategy that is more than a 50% hit rate. Okay, and you can actually have a successful trading plan with less than a 50% hit rate if you are willing to make more and book higher profits than you are losses. So, for example, if you book a profit, it's a 50% gain on something. You could book 3 losses at 10%, and you're still going to be net positive. Even if you get a 25% hit rate, when you win, you're going to be doing very, very good. When you lose, you're cutting your losers short very quickly. So it is 100% discipline if you are going to be trading out there. You cannot get emotional. You cannot get scared. So as you can see, man, Shiba Inu Coin is doing very well right now. And it's actually outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. SHIB is doing a very nice job to bounce back here. But I want to show you the fear to greed index, okay? The fear to greed index right now is making it obvious that the market is a little scared. 46 is considered neutral, but we are right on the brink of a fearful territory. Now, if you are also fearful and you decide to close out of your positions, the people who are buying them right now are the ones that are going to see the gains when we tick back up into greedy territory. You cannot let emotion drive your investment decisions. If you take a look at this and say everybody else around me is panicking, so I am going to panic, you're going to lose. If you say everybody else around me is panicking, I'm going to stay true to my trading plan and the reasons I bought in the first place, and then when everybody around me is buying anything and everything, even if it doesn't make sense, I'm going to sell. And I'm going to book some profits. So you do kind of have to buck the trend a little bit, but also go with the trend of the overall price action. So sometimes it's counterintuitive, man, but discipline is what you're going to need if you are going to be successful at trading or investing or anything. It's my kind of action there. Alien Head, heck yeah, man. Paul Runs like that. Oh, today is Friday, man. Yes, CD Wit. Today is Friday. Honorarium joining the Paul Chain family today. Has that already happened, or do you guys know what time that is going to happen today? Tony the Dems can hand putting B up there again. T's team needs to coach him not to keep backtracking, answer their question, then circle back to the previous points. Man, look evasive. Yeah, Frank, man. Everybody's got their analysis on it, and I don't want to dive into it too much. Clearly, there was a winner last night. There was a loser last night, and people got a lot of work to do. But, yeah, man, I don't know. I don't need to dive too much into it today. We know the results. I watched the whole thing on Meet Kevin's live stream last night. I watched the whole thing. Yes, AMC token. I'm sure AMC token on Ethereum is the one you want to look at, so let's take a look. Who have Shiba? It's 00003 or 00004. Oh, the retracement before going up. I guess, man, dude, look, it's already back down. Is Bitcoin getting ripped, dude? Dude, just that fast, man. 1810 back down to 1720 in a matter of minutes as Bitcoin going from 61 down to 60,700. What little scaredy cats, man. What little scaredy cats. These guys are crazy. Crazy emotional out there, man. I'm telling you. AMC token is what he wanted to see, though. So let's pull that up as SHIB and Bitcoin continue to get ripped there. Oh, my goodness. All right. AMC. I don't know why A and M did not show up. AMC on Ethereum. America's meme coin right here, I believe is what you want to look at. If it ever loads. All right, America's meme coin right here. Dang, dude. Kind of hit that perfect right there. All right, so this is what we got for America's meme coin. This is on a daily chart that you are seeing. It had a bull flag pattern, rising nicely upon launch, and then, of course, setting lower highs. They were being hit over the next week or two. Horizontal support down in this area. It did break back up yesterday, came back up and tested the previous high, got rejected, and right back down here into no man's land, but upper end. That's why it's finding a little support in this area, is because it's the upper end of these candle bodies here providing support. I'm not going to draw a line and get this, too heavily congested, but you can see that this is the upper end of the candle, upper end of the candle, upper end of the candle. So it does have support in the area that it's at right now. That's basically it. So you're in a horizontal channel. There's really no ascending trend line that we're looking at. It's still kind of too early. Maybe if we go on to an hourly chart. Nah. The only thing you can kind of gauge would be a shorter term ascending trend line on AMC or America's Meme Coin here. Just a shorter term 24-hour higher low being hit here. I don't know if that's necessarily worth charting or not, but you can see tabbing this resistance, tabbing this resistance, tabbing this resistance, coming down and using it as support, support. Try to break through, support, support. So AMC, America's Meme Coin, sitting right there at a level of support, yes, but doesn't really have what it needs to break higher today. Did you make any money off Doge and SHIB in April? No, Nicole. The only tokens that I'm really actively trading right now are some Solana meme coins, and the two biggest of which that I hold are Mother and Daddy. So those are the only two that I'm really actively trading at the moment, and Daddy is doing pretty well. That's Andrew Tate's token. And then Mother, Iggy Azalea's token, both on the Solana network. And I think that they're both, I believe they're in a good position because like you said, right, the community or the marketing potential on social media is one of the most important aspects. Andrew Tate's got 9.5 million followers on X alone. Iggy Azalea has, I think she's at like 7.4 or somewhere around there, million followers out on X. And clearly their reach is beyond X, but they've got a lot of followers and they have been engaging and talking about their tokens every single day. So I actually think that they can do pretty well. It's just the overall market right now is too strong. Too strong in terms of like bearish pressure. It's too strong to overcome. So I believe when that fear to greed index begins to tick back up, people get a little greedy again. These tokens that are being marketed like crazy by even Jason Derulo. I bought a very, very small amount of Jason Derulo so I can just have it in my wallet and make it easier to purchase if I do decide to jump in. But even him, man, he's jumping in. Now, I have an idea, okay, and I don't know how to do this. Maybe one of you guys has a pretty good idea or knows of a place that you can track tweets. I would love to be able to, I don't know, the same way that you can sort through stocks or the same way that you can sort through cryptos, I would love to be able to run a script on like celebrity Twitter accounts or maybe Twitter accounts that have more than 1 million followers or something like that. And if they update their status, if they update their bio and you may need to do it manually at that point, anybody that has over 1 million followers, like updating their bio or whatever. But if you could figure out which celebrity puts a contract address in their Twitter account next, you could get in at the very beginning stages of the next celebrity token, and you could see 1000x increases. So if anybody knows how to track like celebrity X status updates or celebrity X tweets that would include just maybe the word pump, because all of these celebrities are creating their tokens on pump.fun. So even if you just sorted by the word pump in their tweets, because their contract addresses always include the word pump, dude, I think that you would be beyond capable of hitting at least 100x, maybe even 1000x increase if you were able to get in as soon as they updated their status, because you would be one of the first holders at that point. Isaiah, I did not look up Froglick, man. I did not look up Froglick yet. Very sorry on that. Let's see. It's not live yet, right? Didn't you say it's still in the pre-sale stages? I don't know if I'm looking up the right thing there. Because I thought you said it was still in the pre-sale stages, so none of that stuff looks right. Let's see. On what app are you investing? So, Alfazi, I've not used a centralized exchange in quite some time. So, a lot of my trading takes place either on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, or Radium for Solana tokens. But if you're talking about stocks, I use Webull. And Webull are the two graphs that you see in the middle of the screen. The top of the screen there is just for looking up tokens, and that is DEX Tools. I don't actually connect my wallet to DEX Tools or make any trades on DEX Tools or anything like that. I go out to the decentralized exchange to make any of the trades. And I do find it wild, man. I look at this Shiba Inu Coin's price right here at a beautiful rally, man, from 1,700 to 1,810. Like, look at this. It was up 100. It was up 100 points per coin in a matter of minutes, and then in 5 minutes, boom, literally gave it all back. Like, look at that 5-minute candle there. Boom, giving it all back. Beautiful rally, just destroyed in 5 minutes, man. Wild to see how weak some people are, huh? Gen G, what's going on? Pudgy, not financial advice, just my opinion. Those looking for investing, take SCHD, SVOL, JEPI, JEPQ, and put 25% in each. Sounds like a pretty evenly split portfolio, man. Very nice. Do you see SHIB ever hitting 001 or around that price? Jesus United Church, man. 001, $500 billion market cap. Dude, me personally, no. Okay? I don't see it hitting a $500 billion market cap anytime soon, and I don't know if it'll stick around as long as it needs to hit a $500 billion market cap. Now, add a zero in there, $100 billion market cap, or for $50 billion market cap, sure. $100 billion market cap, sure. But I don't think that it has what it takes during this bull market to hit a $500 billion market cap. Now, next bull market might be a completely different story. So don't hold me to that statement for the next 5 to 10 years, right? Because we could see a president come in here to the United States and completely transform people's opinion on crypto. You might have everybody embracing cryptocurrency and viewing it as a legitimate investment. ETFs and institutions might see inflows of tens of billions of dollars into the cryptocurrency space. And if that's the case, and all of a sudden now a $500 billion market cap is very similar to today's $50 billion market cap, sure. I will say yes. I could see it then. But right now, no. I mean, things have to drastically change for me to say yeah to a $500 billion market cap. They launched yesterday. All right, well, let's check them out. Because if they launched yesterday, maybe that DEX Tool stuff that I was just seeing there was legitimate. All right, Pink Hood Frog Liquor. Oh, dear God, dude. 41,000%. Dang, man. What a wild, wild gain. All right, so clearly the 41,000% gain that you're seeing here is off some sort of a launch price that we can't see because 0003 from these lows around 0002 is a 50% gain, not a 41,000% gain. So I don't even know if you come down to the 5-minute chart. Okay, nah, you can kind of see why they're going 40,000. So team kind of getting in here, 5 zeros and a 2, and bouncing the price up nicely. By the time you really could get in, the price was probably 0001 and would have tripled in price at this point. 393 holders, very, very low amount of holders. $288,000 in the liquidity pool, legitimate. 99% of it is locked for 12 months. That's a very good sign. $3 million is a very low market cap. Here's what I would say. Okay, below this level of 0002, very likely that the team is selling. So I would watch out for that. I mean, you could go slightly below it or wick slightly below it. But, yeah, dude, if it comes back down to the 002 level, could be a good buy. I guess it's going to depend on how much marketing they're going to be able to do, because with only 393 holders, they certainly need more holders if they're going to go up in value. Isaiah, thank you very much for the Super Chat launched yesterday. It can be found on Dex and Birdseye. Very nice. I think I got the right one there. Took some profit. Very, very good, Isaiah. Where did you get in at, man? Did you get in around that 0002 level, or did you get in earlier than that? Were you like one of the first to get in at that 0001 or even before? Let's see. Is it too late to buy gas, given that it's an all-time high? Ray, let's take a look. I bought some Kamala Horse a couple of days ago. It was going nuts last night during the debate. All-rounder. Did you make some profit or what? This contract address, Pepe's son. Ship it to Matt Fury. Of what I just looked at? Are we talking a different coin now? OX4AB. All right, I'm looking at the right one there. Good deal. Good deal. Hello, bro. Status on Paul Chain. That's what I wanted to know. CD Witt was talking about it a minute ago, but I didn't see if he had any updates. I didn't know when the I don't know, merger or the new liquidity pool or whatever it is going to be set up. I like to buy gas. Ray De Silva, is gas a token here? Is that what we're looking up, a token? Dude, Pink Hood Frog like might not be too bad. What do these guys got on their X account? I'm not logged in. Just show me their followers. That's all I want to see. Oh, dude, do they have 11,000 followers? How do you have 11,000 followers but only 300 holders? Huh. I don't know how you have 11,000 followers but only 300 holders. Let's see. What's up with frogs and meme coins? What do you mean, Nicole? Just in general? Or why are people making meme coins out of frogs? Were you saying, like, what's up with frogs? And what's up with meme coins? Well, I don't know why people liked making frogs into meme coins. Maybe the same reason they like making dogs into meme coins. Pepe did so well, they're trying to replicate it. Oh, my bad. I was about to ask JB. Yeah, we want answers. We want answers. We want answers. I do want answers. I don't know the answer, though, to it. I don't know if Dark Bro's in here or not, or if somebody else who, maybe Moji or somebody who might know. I do not know when or how the liquidity pool on Paul Chain is going to be commenced. Well, you know what? Let's see if we can. Paul Chain website. Dude, Paul's doing well, man. Up 3% today. That's a good move. Is it on Paul Swap? do not know the answer as to when Paul Chain or Paul Swap / honorarium. Thoughts on Bowden, Larry? All of the political tokens got hit very, very hard yesterday. Geo Bowden, Dolan Trimp. Geo Bowden was down like 50%. Actually, Geo Bowden, man. Geo Bowden was down big from its all-time high. It was like 8 cents today. And its all-time high was like $1. Yeah, it's at 7 cents right now. And if you take a look at its daily, it was at $1. Whew. Dang, dude. Look, man, I don't know, right? I don't know. This token has gotten ripped over the last, what is this, 2 months here? Going from $1 per coin all the way back down to 7 cents. That's a 93% decline. The good news, if you're trying to find some good news, right? The good news is at this 7.7 cent level, you do have some support. Tabbing the wick, tabbing the wick. Tabbing the wick, tabbing the wick, tabbing the wick. On the way down, tabbing support, tabbing support. So you do have support in the area that it's at right now. And as you can see, it's tapped it before and it came down and got ripped hard today. Tapping it again. Dude, if it breaks that level, you're back down to 3 cents. Okay? So I guess it depends on how much you're believing in these political tokens. You're back down to 3 cents if it can't hold this level right here. If it recovers, it should be very easy to double your money and get back up to this 15 cent level, which is still very, very low compared to the 26 cents that it was at before the market started to take a dump at the beginning of June. And prior to that, the beautiful rally that it had throughout all of March and April, where it ripped up from a penny to a 100x increase at $1 per coin. So I don't know, man. It has got hit very hard over the last 2-3 months. Boss Celestia, when it came out at $2 range and sold at $17.50. Boom, baby. Beautiful. Hey, Clay, check the chart for DogeVerse. Let's do it. Let's pull it up. I'm at 50% on Common the Horse right now, but it's super volatile. I'm going to hold until number 46 steps aside. Very nice. All right, old rounder. I can't wait to buy more Smart Layer Network. It's only a matter of time before it goes. It's on an upswing. When its circulation being so low, it will skyrocket. Yeah, and its liquidity pool is very low as well, Giovanni. So it's not going to take much money inflowing to see some gains there. My poll's been up 20% in the last few days. Very nice, Gary Gnu. Clipper, Discord member chat. Visitor in the yard. All right, let me see this. Discord member chat. What else was I going to be looking at? Oh, DogeVerse. All right, it's DogeVerse 0001 right now. As I pull up the Discord, supporters chat. Dude, yeah, I got a groundhog that lives over on the side of the ravine, and I don't mind him. I don't mind him at all. Or her. She's got babies every year, and very nice that you got a little groundhog over there, Frank. Be nice to it now. I definitely take the raccoons, but illegal. I don't know what's illegal. I didn't read the whole thing. What's illegal about raccoons in Minnesota? All right, so the good news is we may have a double bottom that formed for DogeVerse here. And DogeVerse is one of the only tokens that I have seen that is doing well on today's in today's action. So bottoming out here on June 17th and June 18th, coming down to this 4 zeros and an 8 level. Same deal here and bouncing off beautifully right now. Now, there is a slight level of resistance in this area that it is currently trading at, and it might be better to see it on the hourly chart. So you can see the dotted red line right here. Dotted red line. Used it as support. Resistance, resistance. Broke through. Support. Now resistance, 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 resistance. So this dotted red line is a resistance level. This hourly move has been a beautiful hourly move with over $60,000 in volume, moving the price up nearly 20 to 25% right here, from 4 zeros and an 8 to 3 zeros and a 1. If they can maintain this level and break back up above the current resistance at 3 zeros and a 1, you could see a nice rally back up here to 3 zeros and a 1.4, 3 zeros and a 1.5. From there, dude, you know, DogeVerse has only been out. Like, this is the hourly graph, and this is inception. From there, if it's able to break this level, which is resistance at 3 zeros and a 15, you could be on your way back up to this gain right here. And guys, that gain is like a 7x gain from these lows. So you could make some decent money if the overall market bounces back. Don't forget, you know, this is June 5th, June 6th on launch here. If you come down here to Cali, oh man, just Bitcoin's getting just trashed. If you come back out to June 5th, June 6th, the market has done nothing but lose hard since that time frame. DogeVerse launched at literally the peak of the market. The worst launch date there possibly could have been, because it launches and the overall market indicated by Bitcoin. You can come out here, check Ethereum. It doesn't matter if you're looking at Shiba Inu Coin or Dogecoin. Everything got hammered since the beginning of June. And DogeVerse following right along with that. It has been a brutal month here in June. A very annoying month with not a single day of gains. That's very, very difficult to swallow. You know, you're looking at it, man. And we've been in a bull market since the beginning of 2023. We have not had an entire month of losses. Even here, man. Even this level right here, February 20th to March 9th. That was only 19 days of losses. We've not had an entire month of losses. You might consider this here, because those aren't real gains. But 6.6, dude, to 6.17, that's just a week. That's just a very quick week. I mean, even here, you had a little relief rally. We haven't seen an entire month of losses since maybe the peak of the last bull market. So we've been in a very tough situation over the last month where there's been no gains recorded whatsoever. So hopefully things are bottoming out. They're finding support at this $60,000 level. We begin to bounce. DogeVerse begins to bounce. And everything begins to look good. Isaiah, thank you very much for the super chat. Isaiah says, what's up with WienerDog AI taking so long? Isaiah, all of these projects have roughly a $10 million market cap that they want, or not market cap, but $10 million raise that they want to achieve. All of these pre-sales right now, they're slowing down because of this market, right? I just showed you the market going down, nothing but down for the last month. The fear to greed index is at a level of 40, which is very, very low, and it's also an indicator that if people aren't greedy, they're not buying the risky things. They're not buying the new pre-sales. So if they're not buying the new pre-sales, they're not going to be selling out when they should. $50,000 to $100,000 a day in sales. It is a lot of money, yes, but when it's going to take you 100 to 200 days at that level to reach $10 million, you know, it's kind of understood. We need the market to kick back up We need these projects to start doing more than 100, but 200, 300, 400, 500, $600,000 per day in sales. Don't forget, when the market was very bullish last month, DogeVerse was doing over $1 million a day in sales. That is phenomenal, guys. Prior to that, April, when Shiba Inu Coin was ripping up to 4,500 points per coin, and that Dogecoin 20 was getting ready to launch, it was doing $1 million a day in sales. Okay, it is completely up to the market sentiment and confidence to see these pre-sales sell out. And the fact that people are so scared right now is causing them to sell out very slowly. Hey, have you heard of Freedom Coin? Apparently, it has been out for a long time, since 2018. Is it possible to make a run at some point? I don't think I've ever heard of Freedom Coin. I haven't heard of it. Maybe this one. Not gonna be that one. I don't know which one it is. It's not gonna be this one, because this just goes back to like May 24th. So I do not know which Freedom Coin. I do not know. Alrighty then. Dang, man. 30% decline in Mega, 36 in Mega, Maganomics, 20% in Trump, 8% Pepe, and PC down 13. What a tough day, man. What a tough day. Like, this stuff makes zero sense to me, man. Stuff makes zero sense. $7, still a good price. Much better than the $5 price that you had right here. And still following this ascending trend line. Very, very well here. So, could be a decent time to buy in. The ascending trend line is still intact. $7 not bad. But, dude, politics coins are getting ripped today. And I guess it's because they didn't mention crypto at the debate. Let's see. 3-rack. I would figure it'd be the other way around. Something. I was lucky to buy a T-Man token in the $5 range. Still not at a loss. Forcing me to hold T-Man even longer. Yeah, Giovanni, man. We're kind of being forced to hold everything in this market. Everything is getting blasted pretty hard right now. Hey, bro, how are you taking losses? Have to play the dips. No real losses, but no huge gains, but a little cash flow. Clay, bro, how are you taking losses? Have to play the dips. No real losses, but no huge gains. Ken, bro, what do you mean? The only active, like, trades that I have right now, instead of just, like, holding tokens and stuff, Solana network tokens like Mommy Daddy, and I'm very slightly into that Jason Derulo coin. I don't have like any of it, but I do have it in my wallet so that I can trade it. But the Mommy and Daddy tokens are really the only ones that I'm trading right now, and they are down. I don't have any plans on closing them out while they're down, but what do you mean taking losses? If you're making a gain right now, I'm very confused as to how you would have got in anything at the beginning of the month, or be up on any position since the beginning of the month, because everything is at a monthly low. Just bought and sold DogeVerse, made a quick 2,500. Buy the rumor, baby. Buy the rumor, Johnny K, dude. I love it, man. Very nice job trading there. DogeVerse posted a new tweet. Did you see? This is going to be amazing for us. DogeVerse Millionaire. I did not see it, actually, so let me see if I can pull it up here. I don't know if it's going to let me pull it up, man, because I'm not logged in on this one. I might have to pull it up on another one. I could just pull it up on my phone. I don't think it's going to let me. Gotcha. This one right here. All right, and that was tweeted an hour ago. That could be the reason for that nice jump an hour ago. It would make perfect sense to me, actually. It would make perfect sense to me. So, me, everyone, LFG, let's go. Yeah, DogeVerse having a nice tweet right there. And it could be one of the reasons that you're seeing that nice spike. Boom, up in price. Do you see how emotionally reactive people are? This is exactly what we talked about, man. You know, maybe the project doesn't tweet as much. Maybe they don't get as much attention. But, dude, once they start talking about centralized exchange listings, once they start talking about developing their project, people are extremely emotionally reactive. That tweet coming out about an hour ago, volume going from 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 to $60,000, $75,000. Boom. Ripping up higher, man. A 25% gain in the last hour. So, very emotionally reactive on DogeVerse right there. Whose hair is crazy today? Is it? It's not that bad, dude. It's not that bad. I mean, maybe it is a little longer than normal, but I don't think it's that crazy. Have you looked at Kochi? I have not. Do you want to pick it up? Jason, we can pull it up right now. Which Paul are you in? Paul Swaps is 7 zeros and a 1736. Clay, with Smart Layer Network, SLN, circulation so low, and the price only being 69 cents, how much lower can it get? Remember, only 16 million circulating and has a lot of backing. Well, Giovanni, dude, I will never say like a token is bottomed out. So I guess how low can it get depends on who's holding, depends on whether tokens are locked, and so on. I have zero confidence in anybody else in the crypto space or in the world in general, right? I have zero confidence in anybody in the crypto space to just hold out, to maintain a price and not panic sell. I've seen it so many time and time again, man, that I trust nobody to put in a bottom for a price. Hello, Clay in chat. Jeremiah! Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. 5 times for the 5 green names. Thank you very much, Jeremiah. Maurice grabbing a green name. Let's go, me grabbing a green name. We've got Mark L with a green name. Crypto Convaldas Reyes with a green name. And Nick F grabbing that green name as well. I love it. Jeremiah, man, thank you very much for 5 green names. If you guys got a green name, please say thank you. If you did not get a green name, still, please say thank you, man. Making sure everybody in here has a green name. Kenny, you need a green name, man. Test subject N47. You need a green name. Everybody else has one. Thank you very much, Jeremiah, for throwing those green names out there, man. Absolutely appreciate it. Darn Crypto just got some dogs for run. What do you mean? Like hot dogs? What are we talking about here? Yes, thanks for the green name. Heck yeah, Nick F. Congrats on becoming a bro. Man, Nick F. I don't even know if he's in here right now, but yeah, Nick F. Congrats on becoming a bro if you are in here right now. Okay, about a while ago, I was sitting on 23 billion. I have 75 billion. Dang, 75 billion. Paul Chain. Let's take Paul Chain to $1. So Gary has $75 billion. I'm a witness protection. You haven't seen me test subject. Mog is on the run. Mog is on the run. Moji or Mog? DogeVerse doing very well right now. Let's see if is Moji trending. Let's see if Moji is trending right now. All right. Moji's up 10% of the day today. 20% of the day today. It's actually a very nice gain, dude. Moji being 20% up on the day today. Bouncing beautifully off of this horizontal level of support. Let's look at the daily here. Come on, Dex Tools. Come on. Oh, come on. Here you go, baby. Dumb old baby girl. Yeah. You're just like 6 minutes early. just about 6 minutes early. That's crazy, huh? That's crazy. It could be, okay? The good news is it has been hitting higher highs, right? But it might be getting stuck in the area that it's at right here. Tapping a higher high, tapping a higher high, tapping a higher high right here. Might be getting stuck in that level. Yeah, that's my best baby girl right there. That's my best. She's my best baby girl. She's the best baby girl in the whole world. She knows it too. Maybe getting rejected off that higher high ascending trend line, but bouncing beautifully, man, off this level of support right here and ripping higher, doubling in price over the last week. $15 million in the liquidity pool is a very nice amount of money. If Bitcoin does a 5K candle up, Shiba Inu will form a 100-day cup and handle. I doubt we're going to see a 10% swing in one day on Bitcoin, but it's not impossible. Okay, I don't think it's impossible to see a $5,000 candle on Bitcoin. I don't know what the catalyst would necessarily be, though, to give us a $5,000 upswing in one day on Bitcoin. Any more dog-named pre-sales coming up? I showed you BitDoge the other day, right? Play Doge. You got Play Doge. You have Wiener Dog AI. You got Base Dogs. BitDoge. Those are the only ones that I can think of at the moment. Dang, man, the price is rising nicely there. 002? Yeah, there's my girl. All right, yes. There's my baby. She's a good girl. Those are the only ones that I can think of at the moment. BitDoge actually looks pretty good to me. And if you do buy BitDoge, man, make sure you use my link because you get 20%. Ridiculous affiliate link for BitDoge. So use my link and then share your link with everybody you know. I mean, dude, 22% is crazy rewards. So you can click on referral here, 18%, and then an additional 4% in PlayDoge or in BitDoge tokens. So yeah, use my referral link in my BitDoge video if you guys do go out and buy that. But all right. She's getting crazy. But I think those are the only dog tokens that I can think of at the moment, Jeremiah. I think those are the only ones. Clay, in your opinion, what meme coins are going to disappear after the next bull run? I know Shiba, Doge, and Pepe will stick around, but what is the next Saida or Saitama, Clifford, Safe Moon? Ugh. It's tough, dude, because I think the ones that are surpassing like multi-billion-dollar valuations, like Bonk and Whiff and some of these other tokens, I think they'll stick around, right? When you amass hundreds of thousands of holders or a million holders, I mean, you're not going to die out. You might lose a lot of value, but you're not going to die out. I will say, okay, I am unsure. So I have bought into Mommy and Daddy and hopefully Jason Derulo if he dips down a little bit. I don't know if those guys will survive. So those guys are a trade to me. They are not me holding them forever and waiting till they go to a $10 billion valuation and so on. It does get me a little excited when Andrew Tate comes out and says that he's going to be taking Daddy to a $1 billion valuation. Basically a 15x increase from the current levels. Because, dude, no, not a 15x increase from the current levels. Like an 8x increase from the current levels. The Mommy coins is 70 million. He's at 120 million, I think. Because, dude, that dude always does what he says he's going to do. So, I think that they can make it. But at a certain point, unless these guys literally change their entire lives to being a crypto promoter and building their crypto business, I think that they're going to focus on something else, right? I think that they'll focus on their brand instead of their token. So I do think that those could very easily die out during the next bear market phase and so on. And they are relatively new as well. So that's kind of the first place my mind goes to, man. Otherwise, a lot of these little tokens that we talk about that have $100 million, $200 million market cap could very easily die out during the next bear market. Can I buy Daddy on Coinbase? Let me check. Nah, I don't think you can buy it on Coinbase. Maybe Coinbase Wallet or something, but not directly on Coinbase. There's already a Hawk Tua token. I think it's going to... yes. Hawk Tua did very well for a while. Came back down in price. I don't know if it's going to just be a short-lived trend or what. Let's see. Hey, must bend, man. Completely up to you which one you want to buy. Both of them are doing very well. Peace out to the diamond-handed starfish. Pudgy. Guys, it's past 1 o'clock. Get your name in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs. We will be back this afternoon. Make sure to watch the videos. Make sure to like the videos. Make sure to comment on the videos. Video views are very low right now. As you can see, the overall confidence in the crypto space is very low as well. We'll do these shout-outs, and we will be back. Appreciate all you guys for keeping the chat going, keeping the chat awesome. Ken Bro, man, have a great day. Good news, Gary. Good news. See you later, man. Jeremiah, see you later. Frank, JB, Jeremiah, Frank. Jeremiah, thank you very much for the 5 green names today. Frank, see you later, man. JB, Gary Gnu, Must Ben, see ya. We've got Ken Bro, Gary Gnu, Giovanni, Lucas. Peace out to the diamond-handed starfishes, Pudgy. Gary Gnu, see you later. Jeremiah, Frank, see you later, man. Saf, rip to you. RBM, have a great one. Gen G, see you later. Johnny K, later to you. Peace out, Isaiah. New food, boo-too, hawk to the boo-too, ahoo. SD, man, have a great one. Alien Head Intelligence, Lucas, see you later. Jeremiah, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, Giovanni? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.